In this video, I'll show you how to connect hosting domain to Firebase. So the first step, you want to open Firebase console, and from here you need to select project for which you want to add your hosting domain. So I have this Coffee Spark AI Barista, so I'm going to open it. And now on the left side, you want to click on build, then hosting. And from here you can add your custom domain. So click on add custom domain. Now go to hostinger and copy your domain. Paste it in this field. You can also redirect it to an existing website. So if you check this, you need to add your redirected domain name here. And then you just need to click on continue. And now this is the most important. You want to add those two DNS records to your hostinger. So the first one is A, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy this value, and in hostinger, click on manage next to your domain. Then choose DNS name servers on the left side. And you need to add those two records here. So the first one was A, and this is the value where it points to. So this is the value. Then click add record. So the first record is added. Now the second one was TXT, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value, choose TXT type and paste the value. Then add record. And now go back to Firebase and click on this verify button. And the record's not yet detected. So it can take up to 24 hours to check those records. So you will see check mark next to them if they are verified. So now I'm going to refresh it after a couple of minutes and verify. And TXT record has been detected, but A record is still not detected. Now the A record has been verified also, so you just need to wait. Next, you need to click on finish. And now your domain should be connected, but it's minting certificate, so you just need to wait. And this may take up to 24 hours too. So please check back later. And once this is done, your domain is going to be connected. So this is how you can connect hosting your domain to Firebase. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.